All right, I wanted to help you on number 13 on the review that I gave you. It was the one that mentioned 13% of the sample said that they had no religion in California. Hudson, shut the door.
Oh. Hi, give me some more juice.
Okay, hold on. All right, sorry about that. Hudson has more juice, so all is well. Anyway, on this problem, the EV percent was just the percent from the sample, so that would be the 13%, right? So the EV percent is 13. And then the question wants to know the chance of your sample having less than 11%. So then to answer that, you would do the norm CDF, right? And do the lower bound is just that small number, upper bound is 11. Anyway, and then you put in the EV for the mean, and the SD is the 1.19, which is the SE. But anyway, I wanted to talk about if we had to do a confidence interval for this. So say we did just 95% confidence interval, then it would be that EV, which is 13, plus and minus our z-score would be 2 for 95%. So then it'd be 2 times the SEs, right? And that would be our interval for 95. And then if we needed to change it to 99%, then that would change just this value right here, just the z-score. But the one thing I needed to review with you as I was looking at the test is that this value right here that you add and subtract to the expected value, that is your margin of error. So that's how likely you are to be off from what you expect. So then, because there were some questions about that, so I just wanted to make sure that you remembered this was the margin of error. So that's what we actually add and subtract to the EV. And then when you are interpreting the interval, remember it has nothing to do with 95. So it's not 95% of the sample. It's not that. It's not 95% of the population. And these are all things that you can read on those ivory notes that I printed for you. So it's not that. It's just 95% of the time we will capture the true parameter, whether that's a percentage like it is here or a mean. So hopefully this helps you, and if you have any other questions, please let me know.